Hello, my friends. Well, here we are, the end of 2024. This whole year went by fast. I can't believe we're about to go into 2025. Thank y'all so much for joining me this year in another amazing cooking journey. I'm looking forward to sharing more great recipes in 2025. And stay tuned. After this video, I'm going to share with y'all my favorite recipes and videos of 2024. I want to thank y'all so much for watching for the final time in 2024. And until 2025, let's eat, much love, and have a blessed and safe new year. Much love.